Often I'm asked about divorce and what divorce entails, and the simple answer is that at present you issue a divorce petition if you're unhappy. Then following that, then you would go to your decree nisi. Until your financial matters are finished, you probably wouldn't go for your decree absolute. But that's your personal side of your divorce. What people often forget is the financial side of it as well. And that could be involving where you're going to live next, what's going to be sold, what you've gathered over the years, how is that going to be split, can I protect certain assets? There's lots of different things that people don't really realise that happens when you go into ancillary relief. Now, you can go to mediation, and if mediation fails, unfortunately, then you're in the land of litigation. Litigation isn't cheap, but sometimes that can be the only way of concluding matters. And if you want any further information on divorce or financial remedies, please feel free to contact me.